Hey y'all, found a nice chandelier on the side of the road. Didn't feel like taking an existing chandelier down from the ceiling to test this one. So I looked on YouTube, didn't see any other videos, so decided to put this together for you. So to do this, pretty straightforward. We're just going to use an extension cord from a wall outlet to test if this chandelier works. I wired the ground to a piece of stable structure. I stripped down these hard wires, and I'm just going to sit them into this outlet, this extension cord. Now, when I did this earlier, it was kind of popping, getting a bit of an electrical surge there. So we'll see what happens here. But I just tested a few minutes ago, and it seemed to work pretty well. So let's give it a shot. There you go, testing a new chandelier from the side of the road using existing hard wire and an extension cord from a wall outlet. Good luck. Hey!